Apollote Christine.
Anita Amongo. Anita Amongo.
These are the results. 468 members of parliament voted, out of which one member cast an invalid vote, meaning it was not considered for either party in the contest. Honorable Basalirwa Asuman gathered 66 votes. Honorable Anita Amongo gathered 401 votes. Pursuant to this, and by virtue of the powers entrusted to me by Article 82, Clause 5 of the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda, I hereby declare Anita Amongo as the duly elected Speaker of the 11th Parliament.
Fourth, uphold the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda as by the law established. So help me God. The leadership of 11th Parliament will continue to be guided by the vision to have people-centered parliament that is anchored on evidence-based debate. Honorable colleagues shall base all their decisions on facts, reasons, sound logic presented to the House, not debate based on hearsay. Ours shall be parliament where the need for the common man takes a center stage.
I want to confess that I'm much better prepared now than 9 months ago when I wanted to occupy this office. Let me take this opportunity also to thank and congratulate the Right Honourable Anita Amongo on your elevation to the position of Speaker of the 11th Parliament. You merit it, and I sincerely pledge my utmost cooperation as your deputy. Together, we shall serve Parliament with dignity, integrity, and cooperation. I commit before you today to perform the duties of this office with full energy and commitment. I will support members and staff of Parliament to uphold the vision and mission of Parliament as we shall be led by our very good Right Honourable Speaker.